Have you ever wondered why cancer is so prevalent in our society today? Cancer, an uncontrolled growth of abnormal cells, is a disease that has become alarmingly widespread across the globe. It's not just a health issue, but a significant societal concern, impacting millions of lives every year. Understanding the causes of cancer is paramount in our fight against this life-altering disease. This understanding can be the key to prevention, early detection, and effective treatment. It's a complex puzzle with many pieces, from genetic factors that we inherit to lifestyle choices we make, from environmental factors we live with to infections we contract, and even the natural aging process. Each of these elements plays a part in the intricate narrative of cancer, contributing in its own way to the high prevalence of the disease. So, are you ready to join us on this journey of understanding? Let's delve deeper and uncover the causes of this life-altering disease. Firstly, we must consider the role of genetics in the development of cancer. Our genes are like blueprints for our bodies, instructing cells how to grow and function. Sometimes, these blueprints can have errors or mutations that can lead to uncontrolled cell growth, the main characteristic of cancer. Certain genetic mutations can be inherited from our parents, predisposing us to certain types of cancer. For instance, mutations in the BRCA1 or BRCA2 genes significantly increase the risk of breast and ovarian cancer. But it's important to know that having a genetic mutation does not guarantee you will get cancer, it just means the risk is higher. Genetic testing can help identify these inherited risks, giving people the chance to take preventive measures. Yet, it's crucial to remember, while genetics can play a role, they're not the sole cause of cancer. Many cancers occur due to a combination of genetics and other factors. Our lifestyle choices can significantly impact our health, and cancer is no exception. Certain behaviors like tobacco use are notorious for their association with several types of cancer. The toxins in tobacco damage cells in our body, gradually leading to abnormal growth and potentially cancer. Similarly, our diet plays a crucial role. Consuming processed and high-fat foods regularly can increase the risk of certain cancers like colorectal and breast cancer. On the other hand, a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can help protect against these diseases. Physical activity is another cornerstone of a cancer-preventative lifestyle. Regular exercise helps maintain a healthy weight and boosts the immune system, both of which are vital in warding off cancer. Lastly, excessive alcohol consumption can also lead to several cancers, including throat, liver, and mouth cancer. Moderation is key. These lifestyle factors are within our control and can be modified to reduce cancer risk. Our environment and state of health also play significant roles in the development of cancer. When we talk about environment, we're not just referring to the natural world around us. We're also talking about the man-made environments in which we live and work. Exposure to certain chemicals, radiation, and other environmental pollutants can ramp up our risk of developing cancer. Workers in industries involving heavy metals, asbestos, and certain pesticides, for instance, have shown higher rates of certain types of cancer. Even in our homes, substances like radon gas, a natural radioactive gas that can become concentrated in houses built on soil with natural uranium deposits, can pose a risk. But it's not just about what's around us, it's also about what's happening within us. Conditions that cause chronic inflammation, such as inflammatory bowel disease, can lead to certain types of cancer. Chronic inflammation is like a forest fire that never goes out. It causes damage to tissues and DNA over time, potentially leading to cancerous mutations. Inflammation is a normal response by the body to injury or infection. However, when this response becomes chronic or long-term, it can have harmful effects. Imagine a wound that never heals, constantly reopening and causing pain. That's what chronic inflammation is like on a cellular level, and it's why it's such a significant risk factor for cancer. So, what can we do? Awareness is key. Understanding the risks associated with certain jobs or environments can help us make informed decisions. Regular health checkups can help identify chronic inflammation and manage it before it becomes a larger issue. We also need to remember that our bodies are complex systems. While we've discussed several risk factors for cancer, it's rarely a single cause that leads to the disease. It's often a combination of factors, including genetics, lifestyle, and environment, that come together in a perfect storm. Awareness and prevention are crucial in minimizing exposure to these risk factors. Lastly, we'll discuss the roles of infections and age in cancer development. Certain viruses, bacteria, or parasites can increase the risk of cancer. For instance, infections like human papillomavirus or HPV and hepatitis B and C viruses are directly linked to certain types of cancer. Another example is Helicobacter pylori bacteria, a common cause of stomach ulcers, which can increase the risk of stomach cancer. Now let's talk about age. It's a simple fact of life. As we get older, our cells age too. And aged cells are more prone to develop mutations that can lead to cancer. It's like a car that's been on the road for many miles. The wear and tear increases the chances of something going wrong. While we can't control our age, we can take steps to prevent infections that increase cancer risk. So, stay vigilant about your health, and remember, early detection can make a world of difference. Now that we've explored the various factors contributing to cancer, let's summarize what we've learned. Cancer arises when cells in our bodies start to grow uncontrollably, often leading to the formation of tumors. The risk of developing cancer is influenced by a variety of elements. Genetic predispositions, certain lifestyle choices like tobacco use or a poor diet, exposure to environmental pollutants, chronic inflammation and infections can all potentially increase one's susceptibility to cancer. Age is another factor, as the likelihood of developing cancer increases as we grow older. However, it's crucial to remember that not everyone with these risk factors will develop cancer. Many who do might not have any known risk factors at all. Early detection and treatment can significantly improve the chances of successful recovery. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding these risk factors, we can take steps to reduce our risk and promote a healthier future.